Ford is one of the world's best-known household names, known for taking us to the shops, taking us to the construction sites, and taking us to the rally stages and racetracks. In the 1960s, on both sides of the Atlantic, the same motoring vision was leading to two very different stories. The vision was an affordable sports car that made driving fun and that made sense in the real world. The stories were RS and Mustang. For the first time, both of these iconic motoring brands are available here in the UK. And there's good news if that excites you, because at one of Evans Halshaw's Ford store dealers, there's a team of specialists just as excited and just as passionate as you are, ready to help you to get the most out of the experience of owning one of these new generation performance Fords.
It's exciting, especially bringing out the Mustang to England, and they're bringing out the V8, and it's awesome. Also the EcoBoost engine. It's great to see Mustangs on the road in Britain.
They've totally got it back again. You know, they've got all the retro looks, the little 3 bars at the front, 3 bars at the back. You know, it's all back, and it's where it should be. And the right-hand drive thing is just tip-top. You know, it's makes it user-friendly in the UK.
The Mark III RS, for me, the driving experience is the closest you're going to get to a rally car on the road. Now, especially with the addition of the 4-wheel drive, for me, that is the most RS model they've made in a long time.
The thing is with Ford is in every area they've ticked the box for everyone. So they brought the big muscle car, they brought the same muscle car with the EcoBoost, which is obviously more economical. All good on every front.
The Ford store specialist will help you specify a vehicle to suit your daily life and your passion. From seat and wheel upgrades to trim levels, there are a range of RS and Mustang options to help you build a car unique to you.
You're making people's dreams come true sometimes, you know, that we're enhancing this car, for instance. It's a rally car, and we're making it feel like even more of a rally car when they get out, and it feels amazing.
When I lift my garage door up, my first smile is when I see it. When I press the start button, the second smile is when I hear it. Obviously, with this exhaust that I'm going to get, I'll get a bigger smile when I press the start button.
There's a vast majority of people that buy an RS or a Mustang or an ST, those lines of cars, that they'll drive it out the showroom and within a week they've done something to it. They just like modifying their cars. And the great thing here is Evans Halshaw have identified that. So what they're trying to do is nip that in the bud and offer people that at the point of sale. We know what people want, we know what they need, and here we are.
Ford Performance Weekends are a chance for Ford enthusiasts to get together and enjoy their vehicles in the company of like-minded petrolheads, and to speak to an Evans Halshaw Ford Performance specialist about the various Dreamscience enhancement packages available for the Focus RS and Mustang. Dreamscience is a brand we're seeing more and more of, and there's good reason for that. Their partnership with Evans Halshaw has one objective at its heart: to offer Ford enthusiasts the ultimate performance driving package. A chance to enhance your performance Ford, and a chance to enhance your motoring experience. Evans Halshaw Ford stores, along with Dreamscience, offer a new level of car ownership. And their Ford performance specialists know that car enthusiasts choose to drive cars like the sporting Focus and Mustangs because of the heritage, because of what it says about them, and ultimately because they want to enjoy driving. With this new generation of sporting Focuses and Mustangs, Ford has given us a brand new way to enjoy motoring, proper performance cars that make sense in the real world. And with one of Evans Halshaw's Ford stores, what you get is the final piece of the jigsaw, a way to not just upgrade your car, but upgrade your motoring experience. Visit your nearest Ford store or join us at one of our Ford Performance events to find out more about Dreamscience and to upgrade your motoring.